I have no idea if I will be able to film this video because storm coming up and it's gonna be dark. I would like to just tell you a little bit about the outfit today. I've got the leather waistcoat, I've got the leather jacket and real leather trousers, and also the boots, that they are so important with outfits like this because they are not very visible and it is hard to find where is the boots and the trousers, so it is a really great idea to have outfits in this vibe. So you can wear just anything else, you can wear just a white shirt, you can wear any leather shirt if you have, but today I really love to have outfits like this. And if you feel any cold or any hot, you can wear always the coat over, can be a leather coat over, or can be just, you can take blazer off and you will have a really great outfit. Start raining, oh my god, I have to take out my laundry from the balcony. So I will try finish this video, but it is so crazy now. Oh my god, rain, it is really bad. Rain, wind and storm, but will be very fresh. I like it. So other thing that I would like to show you, it is a little change that we can make, and we can just play with the texture of the leather. So leather can be, as you know, just nice and smooth, can be grain leather or can be with the kind of the print. So I got my Croc-Print leather and we can just play with the Croc boots, for example, outfit, and this create a nice style of your whole look. Right, so I've got this Croc blazer. You can find this blazer also with the style we. You can find the whole video. I don't know if you can hear the storm, but oh my god, it is crazy. And it's so dark. I prepare myself for the filming today. I done my makeup, I wash my hair, and I done everything. And it is what? Dark and rainy. It is a bit unfair. I like this blazer a lot. I hope you can just spot the difference of the textures and everything. Belt, which is from Temu. It is really nice, and I found Croc gloves, but I'm not sure if I wanna make purchase another. I want to create like many outfits, but today will be not possible, so probably I will finish this video another day. Okay, so belt, it is a perfect match with this blazer and I really love it. So this is the white buckle, which is very similar to Elisabetta Franchi. So I forgot how to pronounce it. Oh my god, today I would like to be quick, I don't know why, but anyway, so this we can finish, and oh my god, I saw perfect Croc boots from Versace. And I'm so crazy about, but there is no my size, so my size isn't available, so I have to just wait until I will save some money and I will buy another pair, because I've got a special saving account just for the boots, special saving account just for the handbags, for the travel, and this is really great idea to just save you money, and you've got kind of the target for this, so it is much easier. Then you know how much you save, how much you can spend, blah blah blah, and this is really nice. So I don't know if there is any make sense today to just continue this video, so I'm so sorry. This is gonna be a very short video. Now I'll go to my kitchen and I will be like, I don't like this word, so I won't say it, but I will go cooking. I don't like it. But maybe I will show you what I cooked. Now it is really dark, like 9 p.m. So sorry. I would like to say that it is a space for the one more pair or maybe two more pair of boots. And if someone watching my channel is supposed to know that I will tell you a secret. Currently, now I'm waiting for the one pair of boots, and soon will be two more. So I hope that this all wardrobe will be full of boots. I'm so happy because some boots I can put behind, some in the front. So actually I've got space like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pair of boots on one shelf. Then another 10 pair of boots on the other shelf. Then I have to buy something like something with the glass doors for the handbags. And then I wish to have really nice collection of the boots over there, just from the floor to ceiling. It's gonna be super cool. It was the good news, but the bad news are just soon Zara blazer. Look what's going on. It is the last year, I think, of the blazer, because look what is going on with the faux leather. Will start peeling off. Anyway, it is the best quality of the faux leather I ever had, just because I've got this blazer for about 8 years now. Something like this. Real pockets. I don't know, maybe I'm supposed to just send this to the factory so they can make something similar for me. It is a good size, I love it. I've got size extra small, and it is perfect with any thick jumpers or just like a jacket I can wear. Oh my god, can you hear the rain? It is raining really bad. For sure, if I have to throw away this blazer, I will keep these buttons. Or maybe the factory may just put this button to the real leather. I have to ask them if they can make it for me. So, but anyway, look at the quality. It is a really great quality of the faux leather. In my opinion, it is really great. And after that time, only this happens. And this is the first, usually the first place where leather will start peeling off, then will start peeling off everywhere, probably underarms. For now there is nothing there, but I'm a little bit sad. Fine, we have the oil, we've got the chicken, some vegetables, pepper. It is quite old, but that's fine, I don't care. Tomato pasta, bruschetta, and I will try and make something. This is small changes in my room, as you can see. Don't ask what I've got behind this picture. What is it actually? But anyway, this difference, it is so annoying for me. Shouldn't be like this, should be straight, but it was a little accident over there. Good, it is not visible, but don't ask. I love to open my wardrobe with the boots. I wish this could be just, oh, the light, it is horrible, but anyway, I love it. What I love to use to make a dinner and prepare food and doing the cookie thing, it is a gloves. Don't laugh, but I really don't like touching meat. It is like disgusting for me. Chicken is here, and soon I will take it off from the cooker and I will put to the oven. And this is my idea for the chicken today. Some vegetables on, and I hope it will be good. How beautiful and colorful! I love it. What is that? Butter. Right, so I've got food for a few days and I'm so happy because I won't be hungry this week. I don't know, are you preparing food for upcoming days too? I love to have. Some I've got with the chicken, some just vegetables, some with the sweet potato, with the pasta. The black pasta I bought, it is really interesting. It is spaghetti on al nero di sepia. It is a pasta with sepia. I don't know what, but it is definitely a black pasta. I have to say, it tastes really good. Hello and welcome in another day. I forgot when I hide my microphone. So I placed the order with the gloves. A few pairs of new gloves. They are on the way probably now. It is a bit annoying that I can start my own brand this year, but because my factory it is quite slow and they have all the time holidays. It is really difficult to just make any samples for them, and still if they're making the samples, I cannot accept something. I have to send them back. They just making them again, not listen. Again, I have to they have to again make the samples. So just but as soon the samples will arrive, we will make a video about the new products and I would like to know your opinion. So I think that I would like to run this shop not only with the leather, but also with many other things. I don't know, even the great jeans that you can wear with the boots. Nice, something maybe push-up, something like this. There is so many options. I don't have to just have just the leather shop. I can make nice shirts, the white shirt, nice like I say, the jeans, some gloves, hats, and maybe coats. If I will find any nice suit that will be really great quality, I would like to just have it in my shop too. So everything actually what I like and you like, because usually everything in my videos it is good enough. And I've got so many emails just, and people, I know that people just love to buy the same things, and I can see on Instagram and everywhere that so many people repeat my outfits, and this is a really, I'm not angry about this, and I have to say that if someone repeat my outfit, repeat my style, even just repeat my videos sometimes because I can see it, this is a kind of compliment for me, that it is a sign that I'm going the good way and I'm doing the good things. So today I'm a bit tired. I didn't sleep well last night and I have so much work today with the invoices. I like to have things done, and I love to. I know that tomorrow I can make something too, but I've got sometimes a plan that I wanna do this and that, and today I would like to just make also my workout. workout at home. For now, I came back to home with the workouts because at the gym I had, let's say, a little accident, so I don't want to back to gym for now. And well, so I hope that soon I will get the results from my new workouts at home, because I found new exercises and I would like to just combine the lifting weights with the exercises, some yoga, some Pilates and things like that. Everything, just mix and match things. If I do not feel any sweat, if I am not any tired after my exercises, it means they wasn't good enough. To see any results, you have to feel this exercise to see results. If you don't feel nothing, you won't get nothing. Just there is like no pain, no gain. Yeah, so it is quite easy. You have to just sweat like a pig to look like a princess. Okay, that's enough. I think that this video will be enough. Maybe I will just make some more things. I don't know if you like my cooking videos too, and let me know if you have any nice cooking idea for the chicken, vegetables, or things like that. Usually I'm taking everything what I've got in my fridge and I'm mixing it just like with the clothes from my wardrobe. I'm not thinking too much about this. Just the whole secret it is, do not think too much. You cannot think too much. Time to start my workout and wash hair. Okay, let's go. Happy woman. Workout done. Thank you so much for watching. I have to wash myself. Look at my hair. Horrible. But thank you so much once again for watching, and please let me know in comments if you're doing workout at home or maybe you love gym. I really like gym, but for now it's like I can stay at home. So thank you so much once again, and see you soon in the next video.